channel. I'm Andrea. I have another Hermes unboxing for you. If you see under my eyes are a little bit dark, that's because today I had to get my allergy shot and I cried like a baby and smeared my makeup. So I've just been suffering so much with allergies, and my husband said you have to go and get your allergy shot, and I'm just not good with needles. So anyway, that's probably why under my eyes look a little bit dark. But today I'm happy because I have an Hermes unboxing for you. Before my essay went to Paris, I think she went for pleasure. She went to visit some of her relatives. She told me to pick up a few items because they were low in quantity, so I did that. One item I bought pre-loved from Poshmark, and then the other two came from the Chicago store through my essay. I have the most wonderful essay, Hermes essay. She's so sweet. She doesn't, force you to buy anything. She's really laid back. She'll just tell me if something's low on stock. She's like, I suggest you get it now. If not, then, you can wait. But more than likely, it will be sold out. I just like that ease about her, that it's not just about buy, buy, buy. And so I really like that about her. And for these two items in particular, she told me that both of them were very, very low on stock. In fact, they only had 3 more in the country of the one item, and I think the other item, she said that she could possibly get it from a boutique. So that must have been very, very low in stock as well. So before we get into that, let me show you the pre-love item first that I bought. I just love this scarf. I saw it online through Poshmark, and I just love the colorway. The story behind this scarf is that a friend gave this particular seller this Hermes scarf, and she's not into scarf, or she may not be into this colorway. The friend may have worn it once or twice and didn't like, just decided to gift it to her friend. Her friend didn't want to hurt her feelings by saying that she's not a scarf person. So it's been sitting in her drawer for quite some time, so she decided to sell it, and which is wonderful because I got it for a good deal. The Hermes scarves through the boutique, they run $415. They went up $40 since January. So I was able to get this half price for $200. So yeah, so here is the scarf. It was beautifully wrapped. It came in its original box. She sent me a lovely card and note, and came in the Hermes box. No ribbon, but it came in the box, and so I appreciate that it still had its original folds and everything. And to reveal the scarf is this one. I'm going to try to hold it up for you the right way, but it's this one. If you can see it there. Maybe holding it upside down, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm holding it upside down. It's kind of hard to see through the fight. Okay, that should be it. So this is a scarf. The border is light pink, and then you have some reds in it, and it looks like it's a Spanish theme with the bull, and yeah. So that's how it looks. I think it's called Plaza de Toros. So yes, it's a Spanish theme. So that's how it looks. And you know what? I think I was showing you the back side. Here it is. I hope this is more vibrant. So that's how it looks. Yeah. There is the right way to show it to you. And it came perfect condition. She said there was a slight mark on it, but to be quite honest, I do not see any spots on it. But, on those sides, they are supposed to let you know if there's a defect. I am wearing an Hermes scarf right now. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take this one off to show you what it looks like on. And I'm wearing my CDC bracelet. This one is in the gold with the gold hardware. And I am wearing my Hermes belt in gold and gold hardware. This is the bigger size. They no longer make this size. I got this last year from the Chicago boutique. So they have a smaller version to this one now that you can buy. I think it's 32. Yes, but I just like the bigger belt because I could wear this with my thicker sweaters and with my coats. So I am happy to get that size. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just going to drape it over just to, show it to you really fast. So this is what it would look like on, like so. Just have it draped on right now. No big deal. Just kind of draped on. I like to wear it like this, and sometimes you see me on my channel kind of have it way up to my neck. I like the colors way up to my neck, so I more than likely, and I'm trying to fix it in here, but I probably would wear it something like that, kind of further up to my neck so the color kind of shows. So that's what it would look like on. But now I just have it like that for now. So that's the first scarf, and I'm going to fold this one and put this one away so I won't get it dirty here. I got some lipstick on it earlier, so I'm a little upset with myself, but okay. All right, so to move on now to show you what I recently purchased from the Chicago store. And the first one comes in this box. I already took a peek at it because when you get these luxury items, you have to open it right away to make sure it's not scratched or whatever. I only wore it once, I think, shortly because my essay wanted to make sure that I like it. Stickers are still on it. So it is this beauty. And I would list the color below. I forgot the color right now, but I have the receipt in the living room. I will list the color below, but it's simply beautiful. It's this beauty right here. And it's kind of a beigey color with gold hardware. And so that's what it looks like. It's so beautiful. I was wondering if it was a bit too light for my complexion, but I just love the neutral color. It is so, 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 so beautiful. I am going to, okay, it's going to take too long to take off the CDC, but I wanted to show you what it looks like on. Hope that having the CDC, yeah, having the CDC bracelet's kind of confusing, so I'll just remove that so you can see what this looks like. So that's the color. It's kind of like a beigey color. It's coming up a little bit lighter than what it really is, but that's the color. Right there, very pretty. And as you recall, last month I bought the beautiful, beautiful turquoise color that I have been searching for. So last month I bought this one, if you remember, and then this one I bought just, I think it was last week, it came in the mail. So that one is a beautiful beigey color, and I was wondering, since they both have gold tone, if they both could be worn together. So this is how they would look together. Yeah, that's how it would look together, especially with this scarf, because this scarf has the blue and the gold. And if you can see that, the scarf I had on today is blue and gold. A beautiful blue color and gold, and this one. But I just wore the CDC today, so that's how it looks. And as I said, I will tell you the name below. There's only a few left of this color. I wonder if the name is on the inside. I could tell you. No. But so that's the beautiful Clic Clack bracelet, my new Clic Clack bracelet. I think these are running now $640, I believe. That's what my receipt said. Yeah. So that is the first item. Hope I don't get these confused. Yeah. That is the first item. And then we're going to open up the second item that I bought recently. And it is in this lovely box right here. And I've been wanting this one for a long time. If you can tell by the box, it is a scarf. Here's the ribbon for it. It says Hermes 2019. And then, box right there, it is a beautiful scarf. Another scarf. Like I need another scarf. Just love it. It is the Napoli scarf. And I will take it out for you. And I'll take off this one and show you what this one looks like. All right. The colors are so bright and beautiful and bold. Annapolis. I think I pronounced that correctly. Now let me hold up this one for you so you can see the colors. I'm trying to make sure I have it the right way. Nope. Okay, so this is how this one looks. Hope you can see that. The colors are very, very beautiful and vibrant. Do you see that? There we go. There we go. I'm going to step back a little bit so you can see. There we go. There we go. So that's the Annapolis. And I just love the colors. As you can see, I love vibrant pink colors and bright bold colors. And this is what this one looks like on. I just love it. And they only have I think she said 3 or so of this one left. So I said, you know what? I'm not going to wait any longer. I'll just get it. Okay. So it's on the right way. So this is how this one would look up close. You can see the purples and the blues and the different colors it has. If the lighting is better when I step back. But this is how I would wear this one. Of course, I'm not doing it like how I would wear it, but just to give you an idea of the colors, how bright they are. So I really love this scarf. I think it is so, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And anywhere you turn it, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So that is my Annapolis scarf. And then we have my new Clic Clack bracelet. It is so beautiful. So these are my 2 unboxings today. I hope you have a wonderful day and take care and God bless you. Bye-bye.